Hey everyone, looking to open a standard chartered bank account online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to get started quickly and easily. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Standard Chartered website. Make sure you're visiting the correct regional site based on your country. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Open an Account button or section. Click on it and start the application process. Now, select the type of account you want to open, whether it's a savings account, current account, or another option that suits your needs. Each type comes with different features, so choose wisely. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details, including your name, email, phone number, and address. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Standard Chartered may ask for your identity proof, address proof, and income documents. Upload clear copies of these documents as per instructions. Some regions require additional identity verification, and this may involve a quick video call with a bank representative or an OTP-based verification on your phone. Once all details and documents are in place, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation email with your reference number. Standard Chartered will review your application and documents. If everything checks out, your account will be activated and you'll receive your account details via email or SMS. And that's it. You've successfully opened each Standard Chartered bank account online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.